What is this? What is this? Oh, hold up. That ain't no bluegill. Might be a cat. Either that or, oh, this is something nice. I'm gonna have to get over here. The cat. Oh no, it's a white bass. What the fuck? It's a white bass. Or is that a hybrid? No, it's a hybrid, dude. What the hell? Huh. I have caught hybrids on worms before. That's pretty cool. Not expect that. Bluegill. Okay. Cobwebs. Let's get as much in as possible. Okay, don't go under there, please. I can just lift him up here. Yeah. And he choked it too. You wanted that night crawler, didn't you, buddy? It's what, 12 to 13 inch hybrid.